So guys, this is gonna be a sound demo of the 8-inch CT Sounds Meso. I have it like halfway broken in, and every day it sounds lower and lower. Right now I'm gonna play it decaf white clouds. See what y'all think. My clipping is around 31 and over. DD1 tuned. There we go. Music can make you fall asleep until the bass hits. Then I'm gonna play 25 hertz test tone. I'm filming at 1080p, 60 frames per second. See how the sub is moving at that rate. Alright, turn it down a bit. Cubic feet box to 34 hertz. It's made for an 8-inch W7. My kicker amp is rated at 1600 RMS at 2 ohms, but the birth sheet was rated at 1738 RMS at 2 ohms, and I have it wired down to 2 ohms, a dual 4 ohm, all the way to 2 ohms. know, guys. If you guys are having second thoughts about the subwoofer, then you got some more proof that will probably make you want to buy it. Handles good rated power at clean signal. Alright, see you guys.